Hello world, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it, hit the subscribe button and the bell button just next to it, here and there, like anywhere, just click it and show some love. So in today's video we are going to create this less makeup look. This look is more about having minimal makeup or minimal showing up makeup, so that if one see you, he cannot tell you how much makeup you're wearing. Okay, so it's like creating similar or going nearer to looking natural beauty, but you are not, obviously. So this look is more about just clearing your imperfections and looking nice, and not like having makeup look. It's more like no makeup look with just a bit of makeup. But it takes hard work to create a look like this, because you need to do way more things when you do some other kind of looks, because you can skip things, but here you cannot skip things. You need to do everything that can just correct your imperfections. For like, I have pimples here, I have big pimples, I have red pimples, and some discoloration also, and a little bit of dark circle to my eye. You cannot really say I'm having these many issues with less and less makeup. So yeah, I think you will enjoy it. Obviously you can just play with the lipstick, but I feel a color like this is more appropriate for this look. So also follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram with the name Queen Fit, and you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. That is a professional connecting site, but yeah, if you're interested, you can go there and check me out. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. We will start with our skincare, and I have a skin. Just washed my face. I'm going to tone it up with my toner. Okay, if you are thinking why I had my hands on my eyes, because this has apple cider vinegar, and ACV just irritates your eyes, so yeah, you should do this. Alright, our toner is done. Now we will move to our moisturizer. Now we are talking about having a flawless face, so before that we need to moisturize it really well. I'm gonna use my Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, because I am going to put a layers of base on top of this, so it's really required. Just make sure that all moisturizer is deep into your skin, so that it is prepped for the next thing, like the primer or foundation or any other thing. It should be on your top layer of skin, not deep inside. So it's important that you put your moisturizer or serum, anything, inside your skin, right? Good. Now we will move to our face. Now as you can see, I have a little pigmentation going on my face, because I'm having a little not sleepy days right now, and this situation right over there is just thanks to my girly days. But yeah, we will need to tackle it. So we will going to cover this first before going to our foundation base, right? For this, what I'm going to use is the foundation only, but as a concealer. Okay, now before concealing, like I am going to do the spot concealing, but before it, you can see I have a lot of redness around this pimple, so I'm going to cover that redness here. And for this, I have a really nice trick I have seen in the YouTube only, and because I do not have characters, because I'm not so much crazy about makeup that I do have character with me, so I got to know that I can use my shadow to use as a character. And that thing I know, that whenever there is a redness around your pimple and you want to cover it, you use the green character. And because I do not have any kind of character, so green character bhi kaise hoga, but I do have eyeshadow, so I'm going to use this color, this green looking color. It is not the exact green that I need, but it is similar to that. I'm going to use it to cover my redness. Okay, So the trick is you just wet your brush, eyeshadow brush or some small brush, dip it into this color and apply it like the concealer or the corrector. So I'm going to take this brush because I do not have any other small brush, and I'm going to wet it with my toner. You could use water or anything, it's just easy to just get it wet like this. Okay, and because it's toner, it's safe. Okay, make sure the brush is wet so that when you dip it into the eyeshadow that is dry, it just picks up correctly. Okay, so now what I do, I take the color, like you can see, I'm going to apply it over my pimple. Okay, only over my pimple. You see that it instantly just removed that redness thing, and this green thing is still better than looking that pinky red. Green thing is just better than this thing, right? So you could use this trick. Do not use it all over your face, just stick to the area you want to correct. So as you can see, my redness is almost gone and the shadow is just settling down, because when I applied it, it was wet and now it is dry. And the trick and the full trick is, do not apply much of it, just a little bit. So my work is done. I have no that much of redness. Okay, these are okay. I'm not going to correct them. So I'm just checking this is dried up so that when I apply the base, everything is nice. While the eyeshadow is drying, I'm going to show you the base I'm going to use today whenever I am going for occasion, party, marriage. Like the makeup, if I'm doing something which should be long lasting, glamorous or sort of like that, and very flawless and whatnot, this thing just comes handy and I can rely on it. I am talking about the pancake. Now a lot of people know about it, a lot of people do not know about it, but everyone should know about it because this is a really nice thing, and the price of this is just 120 rupees, but the results you get are awesome, better than any other high-end foundation you can find in the market. So my shade is 26 Almond Dust. It do come in like too many shades, it just fails the MAC. I feel MAC has every other shade you can find on earth, and so that I think the Olivia is. So this is my shade. So it comes with a lid like this so that you can protect, and it has its own sponge. So I'm going to dip it in the water, squeeze up, and then just apply this thing. This is how you are supposed to use the pancake, right? So just make sure you get the right shade because it gives you such nice results. You will see in the video itself. For using my base, I'm going to use my primer, and like I always do, I will use my Lakme Blur Perfect makeup primer from Lakme. This has a pink tint, as I showed you before. I will take just a little because I'm not going out. This is just, I'm shooting for the video. So I will take just a little thing just to smoothen out my skin, because I do have a little pores. I have oily skin, so I do have pores. Okay, so I'm gonna concentrate it on my T-zone like this. Okay, and just tap it above my pimple like right here. Like I always say, do not push your skin so hard. Just treat it like as if you're having cotton in your hands and you will hold it like that. Just treat your skin like that. Never go hard. Okay, I accidentally removed a little bit of my shadow from my pimple. but it's okay, it's fine, I'm not going out. So my primer is also done. We will go to our base now. Next I will use my base. This is Olivia Pancake in the shade Almond Dust. I will use it with the sponge. This is wet as I showed you before. So what you're gonna do is hold it like this, like अभी मैं ऐसे वीडियो के लिए कर रही हूँ, but you're going to hold it like this and take it like this, okay, a good amount. Firstly you will see like there is nothing, but there is everything, okay? So don't get confused because you cannot see that it's there. Just hold it like this, and now you are going to push it like this. At first you will feel like there is nothing on your face, but have patience. Just after 2-3 minutes, when it's dry, you will see the result, okay? Just drag something on your neck. You need to match your face color to your neck color. I am done with my face, and you can see, you can just stop the video and see my before face and now. So you can see it is all dried up, okay? Yes, it is all dried up, because once you put the thing like this thing on your face, you just do not feel anything, because it is not like other foundations. But when it is dried up, it gives you this nice flawless skin. If you are from a dry skin family or combination family, you do not need to necessarily set it, but I am from a oily family, and in general if you are doing makeup, just you need to set your face. So I'll not use any really dry powder for it. I'll use my all-time favorite Fit Me loose powder. By the way, it's not my favorite. I use it because I have it and I'm not going out, because this thing just doesn't hold my face oil. I don't know, it's my face oil or it's about everyone, but it just doesn't hold the oil. So I'm just using it to set everything in a very light hand. Okay, tip of the day, whatever you do with your face, do it with your neck if it is applicable, okay? Powder is also done. Next I'll go straight up to my eyebrows. I'll not do anything else, I'll do my eyebrows. Alright, no surprises, I'll use my Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit, and before this I'm going to use my pencil. Like, it has this comb, so I'm going to use the comb to just brush through my eyebrows. And because I have not done my eyebrows in ages now, then I'm going to use this thing so that I can know where I need to create my line. I'll use the brush comes with it and the mirror also that is in here. I always say just use a color that is matching to your threading hairs, like eyebrow hairs, because otherwise you're going to screw up your whole look. your eyebrows just frames your face, so just do not do anything with it. Just don't do it if you don't know how to do it, okay? So as you can see, there is an instant change in my entire whole look, face structure. Yep, eyebrows are also done. Now I said minimal makeup look. That means मेकअप है, दिखना नहीं चाहिए. तो अभी तक मैंने जो भी कहा है, अगर आप मुझे ऐसे ही बैठे हुए देखोगे तो माइट भी यही सोचोगे कि मेकअप नहीं किया हुआ है, बट अब आपको वीडियो देख के पता है कि मैंने मेकअप किया हुआ है, राइट? तो हम लोग लाइनर और काजल नहीं लगाएंगे, हम लोग सिर्फ मस्कारा लगाएंगे. एंड बिफोर दैट वी विल कर्ल आवर लैशेस. एंड बिकॉज in the lockdown time I did not have it, but now I have it, my eyelash curler. This is from Bonbon or Bourbon, I don't remember the company's brand name, but yes, it was quite affordable, just 120 rupees. I have just purchased it from the Nykaa. I will put the link in the description, okay? So I'm going to curl my lashes. Going twice with your curler just holds your curls a little longer, nothing else, okay? Then simply I'm going to use my mascara over it. So I'm going to put it in. Oh my god, can you see that? We will not do any other thing to our eyes, but we will use the bronzer. And because I have chubby cheeks, I will use the contour and then bronze. But if you do not have like that, if you have the straight up jawline, you can skip the contour and just go to the bronzer. But because I do not have it, I will use the stick before that. For the contour, I will use my old favorite NYB contour stick in the shade Chestnut number 14, okay? So I'm going to create the lines, and for that I'm using my huge mirror right here. Caution here, you do not want to go very hard with your contour, otherwise it will not look the minimal natural thing what we are trying to achieve, okay? Then we are going to blend it. Now again, I'm warning you, if you do not know how to do nose contouring, do not try it. It's just going to do a disaster that you cannot ever thought of, okay? Just do the makeup in your home and try it, what is working for you and what is not, if you are able to do that thing or not, because doing it right is way important than doing it. Okay? If you cannot do it, just don't do it. Finally, time for bronzer, which is my favorite thing, and I'll use the same brush for that, okay? So I was using this ADS bronzing kit. As I told you before, this is a copy of Balm, the Balm kit, and it has this 6 shade. For bronzing, I'll use this nice, very nice dusty brownish shade. perfect for my skin. I'm going to take a little bit and dust it off. I give a little bit hint to my forehead just to make things come together. Our base with bronzing is also done. Time for blush. So for that I'm using my old SFR matte color palette in the shade, there is no shade, okay? You can just think, you can use this color. This is a little bit on the down dusky side, dusky pinky color. I'm going to use this one. Taking a little bit, dusting off, and smile. If you ever feel like you have put in blushes a lot more, just take a clean brush that has nothing in it and just remove the excess like this. Blushes everywhere. So for now we have only lipstick that we have to put on, and obviously we cannot go for a very bold lip color. We need to use a nude color, but today I'll use a new color. I will not use my mocha Wet n Wild mocha. I'll use some different color, okay? For the lipstick, I have purchased this one recently from Nikon. This is from Darling Isabella. This is in the shade Dutchness Smooth Caramel in number 18, and I thought of having some sort of color in it, but it is literally the nude color. But surprisingly, it's a really nice nude color for my skin tone, perfect for the minimal or the no makeup look. So I'm going to use this. This is a liquid lipstick, and this was quite affordable. I bought it for 120 or 150 rupees. I will put the links in the description. Just check it out. It's really nice. I have just worn it in my office because in office usually you do not wear color, but yeah, it's really nice. So I'm going to use this. You see the pigmentation, it's like of some other level. I just love this velvety finish of this lipstick, and the coverage is insane. Right now it may looking like a little washed out, but we are going to fix it with the lip liner. Now I am just going to finish it with my lips, okay? And for the lips I'll use my Bella Stay lip liner. This is in the shade, what shade it is? Fine, I cannot find the lip shade on this pencil, but I will put the links in the description so that you can find out. It's a nice brick orangey brown shade. Very hard to describe, but it's definitely matching to my lips shade. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to outline my lips with this. I'm not satisfied with the results. I'm going to change the lip lining. I'm using my next lip liner. This is in the shade Swiss Beauty number 2 light maroon. Now my lips are looking way more defined than before. I hope you like this video and the makeup look I'm having right now. this is majorly I do when I want to look a minimal thing, or you can say I do not want to do much with my lips or eyes or anything sort of that. And sometimes it's like my outfit is very loud, then this kind of makeup looks are appropriate. So yeah, I feel you have enjoyed it, and if you did, then please hit that subscribe button and comment on my video. And you can also suggest me if any other thing you want to suggest me in the description bar. No, in the comment section. Okay, and yeah, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.